Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video. Welcome back. Welcome back to another Thredup Rescue Box unboxing video. This is the women's mixed clothing box. It is 25 items for $60 plus shipping. So it works out to be $2.60 an item. What a great deal. Let's get into this box. Okay, so as you can see, the clothes are just thrown in the box, rolled up, because this is a DIY box. This is called a rescue box. So Thredup lets you know that these are items that didn't sell on their site for some reason, or they didn't take. They could have minor flaws. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. You never know what's going to be in one of these boxes, which is why I love them. I love a good mystery box. I probably have about 1 million Thredup unboxing videos on my channel, maybe 2 million by now. And I buy these items in order to sell them on eBay and Poshmark for profit. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been doing it about 10 years and I love these rescue boxes. I've done so well with them. And the rescue boxes during quarantine this past year, 2020, have been the best rescue boxes I've ever gotten. And so I love them. I keep buying them. I do well with them. I have an entire playlist of them. Yes, I do, friends. So feel free to check that out. Okay, let's see this for... What a Bolo brand to start with. I mean, this isn't like an amazing piece, but you guys need to know this brand. This is a tiny little ribbed tank top. Now, these ribbed tank tops are super popular right now, even this crop length, because people are wearing really high-waisted mom jeans. This is Reformation. Reformation is a hot, expensive brand, and I've never found it. So let's start this box off right. Thank you, Thredup. No, they wouldn't like that. Thank you, Thredup, for putting Reformation. That's been on my Bolo list. Do you guys have items or brands on your Bolo list that you're like really hoping you're gonna find in 2021? And Free People, my favorite brand. Shut up, I can stop unboxing now. Free People is my favorite brand, you guys know that. This is a size medium and it's like a thermal with a lace up front. Why didn't they put this on their site? Oh, it's got a little, okay, so it's got this ribbon and it's got a little bit of a stain on the ribbon. That's not a problem for me, friends. I'm so excited by this already. People think like, how do you get such good boxes? And I'll tell you my strategy right now. I just keep buying boxes. I probably order 2 or 3 Thredup boxes a month. I have them all on my channel. You get to judge for yourself. Some are amazing, like this one seems to be so far, and some are kind of like, but I just keep buying them and they all balance out and they're so cheap. What is this? Socialite. Where is this sold? If I discover anything about any of these brands and I do a little research, I'll pop up comps or I'll pop up photos, so keep your eye out for that. This is like a super fleecy, fuzzy yellow sweatshirt. It looks like maybe it's new without tags because it still has that tag pull and it's a size large. So that's awesome. If you decide you fall in love with any of these things, you can message me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen. I do sometimes make deals with some of my viewers, my friends here on the channel, so don't hesitate to reach out, as well as my Poshmark closet and eBay store are linked in the description section of this video. Itching. I'll probably edit out this itch because it's weird, but we'll see. Another Free People item. Maybe they said Quenby loves Free People. This is just an intimately Free People tube top, and this would not fit my curvy body, but somebody would look amazing in that. Resale value on that's probably not that much because it's kind of just a little tank top piece, but I still am very excited for Free People in my box. I have had people say to me like, maybe you get good boxes, and let me tell you right now, to bust that myth, I'm a relatively small channel and reseller. Thredup does not know who I am or care who I am. They just have so much inventory right now. They're putting it all in. This is awesome. This is so trendy for right now. BP, I think that stands for brass plum and is sold at places like Nordstrom Rack. This is just a fleckle. My mom always said fleckle. a fleckle or a fluff or a lint piece or something. A boxy white sweater with these yellow and blue stripes. Awesome. Now friends, I want to take a minute and make sure that you have remembered to subscribe to the channel. You hit that red subscribe button and there's a little bell next to it. You need to hit the bell. That's how you get notified when I go live. I do a live every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific on the channel. I do pop-up lives and I have a lot of videos that come out about reselling. Every week I have like 2 or 3 videos. So we would love to encourage you and support you however we can and educate you in your reselling business. Make sure you've subscribed. Ooh, this is really nice. Good brand so far, Bowden. Bowden is very expensive. This is a women's size 6 regular and it's a gorgeous dress. It's heavyweight. It's kind of a coral pink. It's got some crochet lace accents in there. This brand is really pricey. They're kind of known more for like their colorful prints and their really beautiful colors. Lots of lime greens and purples and whatever I'm doing with my hand is what the Bowden colors are supposed to look like. Oh, yeah. You're gonna get more than just a haul over here. Okay, this is Catherine Malandrino, size 8. I've never heard of that brand. Have you guys? Yes, I need a manicure, but I live in California. Everything's closed. I cannot get a manicure anywhere. I'm trying to do it myself, but it's really hard to keep up with. I really like the gel manicures and nothing is open. I can't get them. Ooh, linen. Oh, these are nice. Again, California boho girl, I live in linen and these have like almost like a paper bag waist. They're very wrinkly, but I'll use my awesome Slav steamer linked in the description section below if you need one. 100% linen size medium. I might keep these because those are awesome. Linen shorts, CNC California. That's a good brand. I like it. Pretty decent brand. I am in love with this box. And you know what I want to do is run to my computer right now and get another Thredup box. And now, people are like, how do you get them? They're sold out. How do you get the shoe boxes? I go on Thredup every day and usually more than once a day. Whenever I'm on my computer, I just check it all the time. I got myself a DIY box today, designer DIY, just by checking all the time. There's no like rhyme or reason that I've been able to, what the heck? What the heck is this? It's like a leather, Emma James, Liz Claiborne Company, size 2. This can't be 2, this is big. Maybe Emma James is plus size. So this is like a leather vest. Sweater back, leather front. I don't think it's real leather, but this must be vanity sizing or plus size. Does anyone know? Yeah, it's just PVC. That could be a cool style thing, but it's not a size 2. It must be like 2X. Look at this lacy thing sticking out. I love lace, ruffles, all that stuff. This is Forever 21. Oh, it's so cute though. So this isn't something with a lot of value, but really cute. Little camisole. Look at all that lace. Really pretty. I'll probably lot that up with some other Forever 21 stuff. Forever 21 is just a junior store at the mall and stuff doesn't retail that much. I have not had much luck selling Forever 21. So sometimes I'll lot a bunch of it together and try and sell it that way. Or I could take it to Plato's Closet. If you're curious about that, I have a video on it. H&M, size 4, a really cute, like almost like career skirt. That's really cute. Has like a bow and ruffle detail. This feels like cashmere. I don't know what it is. It's probably not cashmere because that would be too much. Oh, halogen cashmere blend, size extra small. Look at that beautiful color. You guys know I love like my turquoise and stuff. Wool and cashmere. It has a Nordstrom. I think this is a return tag, so my guess is this is used and someone returned it. Let's see what the flaw could be. Has a high-low hem, round with some slits. I can sell some cashmere. It has some pills on it. It has like some pills. I don't see any stains or holes. Cashmere gets little holes, so keep your eye out for stuff like that. If you're like out thrifting, definitely go through. I don't see holes, I see a few pills, but guess what? I have the best D-pillar lint remover machine. It's linked in the description. I've tried so many over my 10 years of reselling, and I have had little battery operated ones. I've had black stones that you rub on things. I finally found the one. It's linked below. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon. Check it out. I love this chambray denim-y stuff. What is this? It's all... Okay, yeah, okay. I don't know what to tell you about this. It is like a chambray, probably tencel lyocell tank, but it like crosses over. There's some tags. Oh, this is a good brand actually. I just sold a t-shirt. This is a new brand to me. Do you guys know it? The brand is 10 Tree, and that's their logo. It's like a 10 with a tree. And this is new with tags too. Thank you, Thredup. New with tags sells great. It's got this like expensive coin. They put a lot of money into their tags. I just sold within 24 hours a men's t-shirt by this brand. I can't figure this out. I'm gonna put it on my mannequin. It's probably like an open back crossover type thing. 25 items is a lot of inventory. I mean, I try and list 5 to 10 items a day, 5 to 7 days a week as a part-timer, and 25 items shipped right to your door is so helpful. This is new with tags too. Market in Spruce from Nordstrom Rack. Super cute. Size small, like a flannel, like a long tunic-y flannel, new with tags. That's awesome. I'm selling a lot of flannels right now, especially men's. I'm filming this in January 2020, and I sold like 5 men's flannels in 1 week. Run it. What? Forever 21. This says run it, run this, run that, run the world. A little graphic. So you know what? Like maybe I can lot this up. This is like Forever 21 movement, that little emblem. I can lot that up maybe with that other Forever 21 top. I peeked in and saw some athletic wear, a bundle of like athletic wear stuff. So we should take a look at that because athletic wear in January is selling really well. I don't think it's called athletic wear. I think it's activewear or fitness or whatever, but this is a Nike tee size small with the Boston Celtics on it. Cool. I'm from Boston. I live in California now, but my family's in the New England area. That's cute. And some leggy leggings. You guys, in one of my last Thredup rescue boxes, I got 2 pairs of full-length leggings. They're both the fast and free leggings, size 4. I've only listed 1 pair. It's sold within 24 hours for $40 or $45, which pays for like half the box, that 1 pair of leggings. So I'm so grateful. These feel awesome. They're super thick. They're a skinny legging, which is the only thing I'm really buying right now, but these look like to maybe mid-rise, not like a high-rise. They feel really nice. I don't see anything. They have like the mesh cutouts on the legs. I'm looking for a tag. There's Zella. Okay, do you guys know Zella? I like Zella. Zella's sold at like Nordstrom and stuff too, and it has an okay resale value. This is some sort of skirt, size large from Old Navy. Probably can't do too much with this, just like a fold over black skirt, but I sell Old Navy and I sell Target and I sell all this stuff. This is new with tags, whatever it is, coming out here. American Living size 4. I don't know this brand. Do you guys? I'm so thankful for some new with tags though. American Living, looks like this was $90 on the tag. It looks like it's from JCPenney. Let's check it out. It's super heavy. This is nice. It's got some shoulder pads. It has a crossover front, then kind of like a pleated full skirt, super stretchy. I can't sell dresses right now to save my life, but I love dresses and they will sell again. Dresses have been a great seller for me in like spring and summer, but because of pandemic stuff, people aren't getting to wear all their beautiful dresses. I think it's just so sad, but it's okay. Zara woman, size extra small, cute, kind of a nude blouse with an asymmetrical hem. Feels kind of thin, and then it's actually got actual studs sticking out of it. It just doesn't look very fresh to me. Like, I'm definitely gonna throw it in the wash. It looks like it needs a little cleanup or something. I got Free People in my box. I got Cashmere in my box. I got Reformation I've Never Found, and we're still like only halfway done, so stick with me. Stick with me, and I got a bunch of new tags. So this box is already getting an A+. A+. This looks like it's a new tag, $79 from Nordstrom, Chelsea 28. I don't know all the Nordstrom brands, but this feels awesome, and it's like just so big and weird. Okay, it has a huge cowl neck, Chelsea 28. Ivory, what the heck is going on with this thing? I'm supposed to be hauling here, and it's like I can't even get the items. It's just slouchy. It's a super, super soft, slouchy, oatmeal colored sweater, cotton, wool, spandex, new at tag, 79 bucks. Just, oh, it's got a hole in it. Bummer. Well, I'll sell it as flawed. Maybe somebody is good at DIY. I'm not. Like, okay, another pair of, these look like joggers of some sort. Are these kids? No, they're probably women. So they're Under Armour. That's the Under Armour symbol. I can sell Under Armour okay in like the $15 to $20 range. I assume these like are a women's cropped jogger. Look really comfy. And guess what? All I care about is comfy clothes right now. I mean, I'll put on a nice top. This is a Free People top for a video or when I have a client, but I'm mostly in my yoga leggings and something comfy. I'm taking bike rides. No. This can't be right. This can't be right. This says Supreme. I'm going to have to do research. For those of you who don't know, Supreme is an extremely expensive streetwear brand. Like hundreds of dollars for a t-shirt. It is faked though. So, and I have seen some like videos and YouTube stuff on how to authenticate Supreme. So I will be looking for that. This is a little beat up, so not gonna lie. Somebody cut cut like a V in the front. I'm gonna show you the tags because I'll probably be looking for things like lettering on the tags to authenticate. It feels, I thought it was maybe like Lululemon. It feels super heavy. It feels quality. But this is totally beat up. There's a hole in it, but you know what? And look, there's a stamp in it. So thank you, I can send a postcard. I love a mystery box. I mean, where else do you get this stuff? So this is totally beat up. It's got holes in it, but let me tell you something. If this is a real Supreme, someone will want it anyway. Wowzer. Two brands, Supreme and Reformation, that I've always wanted to find. Everyone wants to. And, wow. Wow. Okay, and Taylor size 8, a beautiful kind of blue silky shell tank. Last couple of items. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you have left a comment for me what you think of these brands in this box. Oh, this is cute. Too bad it's so tiny. US 6, but it looks really small. Top Shop, very silky, cropped, ruffly blouse. It's got some like little pillies on it and some scuba type thing that feels like scuba material, like what you would, this feels like if you were wearing a scuba suit, what it would be. And Taylor Petite, size 00 Petite. It looks almost like the lining of something, but it's not. It's like a super stretchy pencil skirt. Fantastic haul, fantastic box, lots of new at tag stuff, lots of Free People, Reformation, Supreme, cashmere sweaters. Thank you, Thredup. I appreciate you. And I can't wait to talk to you about this amazing box in the comments. Bye, friends.